Basic differences between dry cough and wet cough. Dry cough, also known as non-productive cough, but wet cough known as productive cough. In case of dry cough, tickling sensation produced due to inhalation of irritants. In wet cough, mucus produces to expel microbes. Dry cough causes non-stop coughing, but wet cough does not cause non-stop coughing. Common causes for dry cough are due to inhalation of irritants, allergens, due to asthma, etc. Common causes for wet cough are infection, cold, flu, etc. Common treatment should be cough suppressant, and for wet cough, common treatment is expectorants.